Okay, let's get the show on the road. Let's go with that today. Okay. Update address. There we go. City plotter. Wait, why are there more? Ah, it's penetration, right? Okay. Everything's still working. Yeah, nicely. Oh wait, would I have now oh no, I would need to reset the penetration. I'm gonna go back here. Game init bullet pin. Set it to 1. Let's start it. Let's wait for some enemies to spawn. There we go. Wait, the penetration is not. Oh, that's melee penetration. This is the bullet penetration. Let's put it back to 5 for something. Yeah, penetration is not 1. Let's see once the enemies have bunched a bit more up. Okay, it seems like that fixed the issue with trying to register. Yeah, it seems like it totally fixed that issue. Let me increase the size just to make it more sure. Yeah, that totally fixed it. It's kind of funny. Okay, great. Then the issue just fixed itself by implementing another feature. Okay. So let's just go to the to-do list. So there's a last steps. Let's just check. Yeah, let's see. Bullet. Move no. Hit. There we go. Oops. Penetration. Yeah, for
let me explain.
fucking hell, my phone. Sorry, I just wanted to look something on the phone, and there was still a short playing, and those just automatically continue playing. I really don't like how YouTube Shorts work. Like, you cannot rewind or like Go ahead, it's so stupid. What did I want to check? This. Okay. Right, check if distance between bullet and some enemy is check if bullet and enemy are touching. Enemy take damage so that it cannot be hit again. What was this thought about? Method that checked every frame if any of the bullets have hit any of the enemies. Reduces how many more enemies the bullets can penetrate. Changes the size of the bullet based on how many more. How is it? Times it can penetrate enemies. I shouldn't have to close that script. We got to do list. I'm not gonna find a. Yeah, I'm gonna go over the to-do list real quick. I'm not gonna do the cooldown reduction. That would take too much, I would say. The vertices that have been rotated in the marker and melee attack. Okay. Can you find more weapons? I have a lot of switches and this. Okay. So for that I also need a better UI. I need to manage menus because at the moment if you add one menu it's going to be horrible, trust me. Yeah. Though yeah. These this kind of stuff would if game state not equals start menu or not equal game, for example, then I would do that, but that also has the effect of probably me being able to open several menus, so I would have to make some code to work around that. Oops. but it could work. It wouldn't need too much changing, I think. Oh, don't I already have this basically, but instead of like several menus, I just have that, yeah, if not self menu. Yeah, basically I have the if not self menu. That would be that. Then I will keep this in mind for later. But yeah, then I will not make menus. Debug to add coins, yeah. Yeah, certain upgrades in shop. I wanna add one other weapon. Yeah, settings menu at save constants. I'm not gonna make a settings menu for this one. Debug for just having one. Nah, let's keep that up. Debug for no spawning enemies. Okay, let's do that. Then this would be this one. Oh, hello. I'm going to pronounce your name horribly. I apologize. Dang Junge. Let me just let's see. How does Google Translate pronounce this? I sorry, I don't even know how to.
Đặng Nguyễn.
Can I call you Dang? I think that I cannot pronounce that. Dang Jungen. The NG without anything before in front of it is quite confusing. Welcome to the stream. I'm currently going over my game and my to-do list, and I wanna have like everywhere where you see some like of these check marks and where it doesn't say it's done, it means that I still wanna do something. And I wanna finish this in like about 2 weeks, I think. So I'm going through it looking, okay, is this feasible to do in a week or two or not? Implement def counter. For the values. That I should be able to do. Nah, let's take it out. It would just create one more file in it. Game, yes, I can quickly show it to you. That's the game. It's kind of a HoloCure Vampire Survivor inspired game. I see that you have Gura as, or like a Gura cosplay as your profile picture, so you probably know about HoloCure and that. Yeah. And it's yeah, it's just a small game that I made, or that I'm making right now to like learn Python and stuff. It's quite fun. So then just WASD aiming and like another weapon. Wait. Oh dear. It's quite rudimentary. Not much in it. Right, This UI button, the shop menu, weapon 1. Was it fire rated? Yeah. I don't need to have it being print all the time. Okay, then. Yeah, normalize size of health pass, then that import time. Take that out. Cover. Thank you. Scoreboard sort of. That's not it. Difficulty where more enemies spawn, definitely. Debug button in the menu has different colors. Yeah, I don't know how to figure that one out. Menu button in the normal game overlay, I can do that, okay. Then let's do that real quick. That would then also have a button pressed event, but if not self-menu pressed event. Yeah, no, that should be fine. That should be totally fine. So it would go into draw UI. It would just be rect underscore button underscore menu equal backend rect position 00. How big is the shop button? Probably 150. Yeah, and then self dot button underscore menu equal package UI dot elements. Why is the auto completion not working? UI button rect equal. Does it have to be relative rect? I actually don't know. Rect underscore button menu. Then what else do I need in it actually? Or would it just go in the init method? No, it would just go in the init method and not down here. Let me take it out again. Yeah, that's where it would go. Look, you. What do you mean? There's nothing behind me. Relative rect. Text equal menu. Manager equals self dot manager. Container. No, I don't need a container for it. And anchors equal bottom and right. Okay, do you see it? No, wait, why is the game still... Wait, what? No, wait, I looked in the stream preview and that one is like 10 minutes behind. It. No. Eh? Sorry, I'm confused right now. I need a comma here. Again. Right. What the fuck broke? Got an unexpected keyword rect, so I do have to make a relative rect. Okay. Hi Geometry, actually cannot today, sorry, but look, no worries. I hope you have a good day. A good day. Thank you for checking in. Okay, let's try to run it again. Okay, this works. Okay, bottom right did not work. Is it because they have to make a rect? No, not rect button. The other complete is not working. Dot bottom. Why is it not bottom right? It would be right. And 0, 0. Let's see again. Yes, okay. That worked. Nothing. If you mean to what you said earlier, no. What do you mean if you look behind me? There is nothing. Okay. And then is it gonna make things complicated? It shouldn't. If event UI element equals serve.ui dot button menu, then okay, I just copy what it does on escape. It's a lot. Yeah, so if the button is pressed and the window is false, then right. And if self menu is false, then draw the menu. If self menu is true, then close the menu and make this false again, and then kill the menu. But if it's true, then make it false and what? Okay. Action when the menu button is pressed. Check if... Oh wait, no, this checks if the... Ah, right, this checks if the name window is there. If name window is false, then it proceeds with whatever. And if menu is false, then yes, if... Okay. And then also if menu is true, then it's... Okay, okay. I didn't read this correctly. Checks if name entry window is open. Is not open. Okay, checks if game is running. Draws menu and pauses game. Else if game is not running, unpause game, disable menu and kill menu. And then here, if menu is enabled, disable menu. Oh wait, if shop is enabled. Wait, but if shop is enabled, doesn't even matter in this context, right? Right, but then I also then I also need to check. Right. Name into and shop menu is not open. And self.ui dot right now self.shop. Sorry, I can't read Japanese. She mas. Shitemas and whatever the kanji means. I shitemas. What? I just looked at the translation. Self.shop.ui dot is enabled equal false. Holy shit, this is a lot right now. Let's take it out and put it here. Say it. I looked up the translation. And I think I did say it actually. Okay, I can press the menu and I can press the menu button again. Okay. Can I press the shop button? No, that is good. Okay. Why can I not press the menu button again? If self menu is false, it draws the menu. It pauses the game, and if the game is true, then it should unpause the game. Oh, because it checks if not self menu. Okay. Okay, so then it can only ever occur when. Okay. So then I would also not need this one because I've made that check already. And this can be indented to that. So I cannot press it again, but okay, this works. I cannot press that, and if I press this, can I press that? No, I cannot. Very good, because those buttons are disabled during pause. Okay, yeah. They're fully disabled in the pause. Okay. Let me quickly mouse and true and false. Okay, that button is done. Upsala. Done. Okay, add debug buttons, game over and things like that. All is in progress. Okay. But I mean, if you can see it. What do you mean? Let me put that more to the side. Ah, oops, sorry. I didn't want to hit the microphone. Okay, let me continue. E. I don't know what you mean. Debug from the enemy spawning. So I probably just want a different, like a fully different menu which just opens when I click debug. Should I do that is the question. Because that would require me serve dot debug underscore screen underscore size. Yeah, let me just put it here, and that would be let's just do 1000, and then self dot debug underscore screen equal pygame dot display dot set underscore mode parentheses self dot. Why is the autocomplete not working? It's so confusing. I know. Zero. And 1. Pygame display set caption. Is set mode. Still a little confused. Nothing here has to do with screen, okay. But I can't make another. Wait, no, I would have to here in the graphics draw UI on constant. Yes, with this manager up there, it draws UI on constant screen. So I can make self.ui.debug manager dot update then time underscore delta, and then self.ui.debug underscore manager dot draw UI constants dot debug underscore screen. Okay, why is the make more character? Are you saying like that the character is doubled? No? Oh, what do you mean with make more character? Just put that there. is, would I only want this if... Oh. Also inside of the for loop. Yeah. Inside of the for loop I would need self.ui.debug underscore manager dot process underscore events parentheses event. Self.debug underscore manager equal Python gi.ui manager constants dot debug underscore screen size 0 and comma 1. Oh, there. Okay. And that now, if I run the game, breaks. Okay. Game has an attribute display. This happens when the auto complete doesn't work. You just make mistakes. Oh. Okay, let me just to here. I have a Python game with Python and Python underscore GUI and want to make a second window, preferably without adding extra libraries like Tkinter. How can I do that? Hard game. It's hard to make. What would happen if I do this? If constants debug if I then turn off debug, no, it keeps the window size the same, even though it shouldn't even do that. Okay, doesn't even run as rather scope with him, and it's yeah, no, this somehow completely breaks it. Wait, why? What? Never mind. Why does it break here? Oh. I forgot to self with these ones. But that is never... Oh, I never tried to toggle the UI, the debug UI, okay. Okay. There. It's UI manager. Yes, I did that. To manage the new Windows GUI elements can be done by using add any desired GUI elements in new window. Using the GUI manager object, for example. So noting that creating a new window environment can be tricky as the library is designed primarily for single window games. As such, you may run into issues with input handling and event processing when dealing with multiple windows. However, with careful design and implementation, Right, CS display service for new window. Create new instance of a window object to change the new Windows GUI element. This can be done with is this no. Surface. What? But where does the new surface even come into play? Okay, what changes do I have to make to the game loop so that it works? I tried adding but that didn't create a new window, but resized the original window. Holy shit, 52,000 characters. Anyway, jedenfalls also about teams that changes material to not create. This might be because you're not creating a display service when you window instead using the same. No, I'm not. No, to create border. Oh, that's a good borderless windows. Interesting. Here's an example. Do I need to make a new game loop for the new game window? I already had a new display surface and it's like that. That's the constants that debug screen. The normal surface is constants that screen to read game window. Hi game. Display update with display. Yeah, let's just display it doesn't. New game window. Let me just. And why did it add that unnecessary flag? That's so stupid. How did I call the new manager, debug manager? Yeah, it's let's see if it can give me an answer to this. Wait, no, that's... Wait. Okay, wait, would it then... Because for some reason it's not doing... this. Nope, this does not create a new window. This for loop. Okay. This is so long right now. Wait, it updates the iManager before it. Screen fill. Not good, not today. Hello. Hong Fuk. Let me see how I pronounce that.
Hồng Phúc.
Hong Fuk. Was that correct? Looks like both of your names are from the same language. if I'm correct about that. I don't know if I'm correct about this. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Oh, what? Oh! So is it maybe this one? One moment. I'm back. It's still you, Dang. Okay. Did he change accounts? No, what did you do? Okay, so debug underscore screen fill. Would that solve it? Debug screen. Okay. No. This does not solve it. Is it also called screen fill? Yeah. Right, kind of just writing something in the background to try and figure out if I can solve that issue with the different debug. Wait, no, this is not what I wanted. That's some different music. Let me just quickly clean up the playlist so the video doesn't get blocked. Edit the stream. And this and okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's just quickly keep that so I know what to do. Based on your code, it seems that you already have created new display service using the same game loop to update a new one. So you can create a new game. Okay, so that was my fucking question. That only updates the debug scene as an example. I can fix that debug again. After the normal game loop, it's process. Okay, so I do need a different game loop. Great. Left up debug underscore game loop self. Is this self dot debug underscore running equal true, or no, this would be constant dot debug. Yes. Check something real quick. Properties. Reaper versus Sheep is so good. Game dot right now. Let me just add a pass here, then it should debug game loop. Okay. So then let's do this. While self dot debug running time underscore data equal bah. That just happened. Okay. I would need a game logic here for now. Time data. This would just make debug running false. Okay, this is probably gonna take me quite a while to actually rewrite everything, but it shouldn't be too hard. LFN type group again dot key down. No, this wouldn't be anything key down related. Treasure box is so funny. Okay, then I would also oh, no, there. This would also be done on the debug screen. What the hell? I'm just gonna do that. Again, dot display dot update. No. Again, dot quit. Ooh. Muna's villain cover. Okay, let's see. Why is it still small? I took... What? The thing is, at the moment, yeah, it. Script is still running. Wait, what? Ugh, fucking no, I don't care about you. Now it crashed, okay. Putting the game loops after another in the code. I want to run both game loops at the same time. How can I do that? I remember from the same time when the password as each game requires its own dedicated thread or process. However, you can try running a game sequentially in the same thread by alternating between updating the normal screen and updating the debug screen in each iteration of them. What the hell? No, this... No, this wouldn't work. Can I use threading to make it possible? Yes, you can use threading on both center. Threading allows you to run multiple threads of execution concurrently in the same process, which can be useful for running multiple game loops. Sorry, Mumi, your music is loud. Running multiple game loops, updating multiple screens simultaneously. To use threading with Pygame, you can create 2 separate threads with each with its own game loop and display service and run them concurrently. Just like a motherfucker code using frame. Okay. Then import threading. Allows to run several processes on separate threads. Run several processes on separate threads. Okay. Then I define a normal loop and the debug loop, and then okay, oh. In above code, we define 2 separate functions, normal loop and debug loop, to run the game loop. What just happened? Driver refreshed. He gone. Okay. Back to Dang. Driver refreshed, and then yeah, so it couldn't find the author name. And then it just crashed really hard. I want to... Okay, how do I do this? If I want to break out of this while loop, I have to break, but then I also want to break out of this out of this for loop, so I need to break again. Okay, let me quickly try and debug this. I want to break out in Python if a certain condition is met. I want to break out of 2 while loops in a row. Oh wait, no. I could do this. Okay, then I wouldn't have to refresh the driver. I wouldn't need to do a driver.refresh. What I would have to do would be the username would still be empty. So while username empty and if username is still equal empty, break. Oh. Huh. Then break, and if at the end before it prints if username equal empty, then break. Oops. Let's see if that can break. If it can work. I definitely know it can break. Okay, all the messages are back. Okay, let's go back to this. The game loops are part of a class with an init function. Can I initialize the class before running the threading, or would I have to do that on each thread? How big is the init method actually? 2000, so that would work. Okay, no, this, yes, you can initialize the game. I cannot think, sorry. Oh, Suspect, such a good song. Yes, you can initialize the class before running the threading. When you create a new thread using the threading.thread function, you can pass the instance of the class as an argument to the target function, allowing you to access the class methods and variables from within the thread. Here's an example of how you can modify your code to initialize the class before running the threading. Okay, so I instanced the thread, then okay, cool. Okay, so instead of this then, I do this. Game loop and debug loop. Debug game loop. Let's got this normal thread and debug thread. Yeah, like this. That's not working how it was supposed to. Okay, let's close it. Holy shit. I haven't had crashes that bad. Okay, let's see. Okay, something in the game loop is broken. Or is it just the threading? That's the question now. So game loop, just run it like that. No, it's still kind of broken. What happens when I collide with enemies? Okay. Constants. Why does this song seem so familiar? Violet. I'll be right back. Okay, for a moment I thought something was burning. Okay, let's continue. So if I comment this out, would it... Okay, now I have to write a window again. What is going on? Check something real quick. Okay. Fucking task manager. Okay. So doing that set this display dot set underscore mode. I think this debug screen should not yes, only reference there. Then what could it be? What could it be? Right. Okay, then it's sort of like this. If I have two in the init function, then there is only one window with the size of the second set mode. You should go to sleep. No, I shouldn't go to sleep. It's 10 a.m. or nearly 11 a.m. It is early in the morning, or like nearly noon, nearly lunchtime. It seems you have two calls in the init function of a class. The second call or the first one is certainly and only one to create multiple windows with different set. You got this in a separate variable. We can modify a code and this different. What? Because you get this separate windows to speak calling it. Calling it. Christ. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Huh? What is it doing? What was this? Okay, this is confusing. Oh shit. Save it. Editors. Two windows. What the fuck? Wait, it's just like window in window mode? A picture in picture. Looks so confusing. I could do this, but this wouldn't be a this wouldn't be a good way of doing it. It's so annoying. Okay, then what if I wait? There we go. What if I just set this up here and do this? Also get this down here. Brother, what do you mean? Okay, will this work? This, I cannot move the window. Of course. And it crashes. Doesn't even get to load anything. Why is that? Like, it only draws this window. It doesn't make a second window. Then let's give up on the threading. Oh. This is kinda annoying. How can I do that with second? Let's just use that one. Or let's also ask for my Python game, I want to add a debug menu with the Kinte, which is located in a separate window from the main game. Okay, let's see. Import the Kinte. Wait, what? The hell? The solution seems so confusing. To add a debug menu of the Kinte to select its separate window from the main game. Steps create a new class for the debug menu. What? What? Where is debug menu defined? What? Okay, I'm gonna give up on this for now. I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna take a short break. I'm gonna take a few minute break. Because I haven't yet. Holy hell. What the fuck? Fuck is going on over there? I'm reading for some Discord messages. Some people are down bad. Alright, I wanted to check something. Calendar. Warte, wie, warte, was, warte. Fuck. Wait. Fuck. Aha. Holy shit. I forgot to put Ah, I forgot to put a important appointment in the fucking calendar. Let me do that way quick. Oh wait, I think I accidentally like put it in the wrong day or something. Let me see. Fuck. Okay. Let's check the address. Okay, save. Did I accidentally put it like on the wrong day or something? Okay. Okay, that is in there. Oh, that would have been bad. Emails here. You should go to sleep, Marin. Why? It's 11 a.m. 11 in the morning. Why are people telling me to go to sleep? What the hell? I'll be continuing the coding in just a moment. And hello, Marine, or yeah, welcome. Sorry, I'm a little stressed. There we go. Yes, that is correct. Okay. 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 Then let's continue. Okay, tick interest. That's what I wanted to do. What the fuck? Create a new class. New class for the debug menu window using tick. This class should inherit from TK the top level and contain all necessary widget functionality for the debug menu. Please explain this. in more detail. I haven't used the content before. It should inherit from top level. What is top level? Okay, the gun is built in private module that provides a way to create traffic and interface to your eyes. So this is buttons, flavors, and text boxes and be arranged on the window of the created user interface. To create you can create a new instance of the top level class. Rico raid, raid, Rico, wait, I'm being raided. What the? Come. What is going on? Hello? I was, hello. How are you guys doing? I did not expect to raid suddenly. How are you guys? You should go to sleep. Why are people telling me to go to sleep? It's not even noon. Nice to meet you. What? Thank you for the raid. I'm just looking at your channel right now. I just finished my stream, so I wanted to raid someone I don't know. Thank you. Much appreciated. Hello, heard there's a comfy coding stream. Yes, there is. I'm currently despairing, but I'm quite comfortable. Oh. Hello everyone. Nice to have you here. I'm Ixi and I'm currently learning Python and making this small game. What are you coding for it? This is a small game. It's inspired by HoloCure and Vampire Survivors. And currently things aren't working as they should, but I'm trying to make things work. I have like 2 weapons currently, like this small melee weapon and like bullets, and then I can also upgrade them. My tiny brain can't understand any of this. No worries. It's just shoot enemies. And it's quite fun. Wait, it's pretty cool, yeah. Currently I'm trying to make this debug menu, which you can see in the top left here. It's just all of the debug that I have. I'm trying to have this in a separate window. Stop telling me to go to sleep. I haven't even been streaming for 2 hours. I have been awake since 8 AM or like for 3 hours. I have slept enough. Well, maybe not fully enough, but What do you guys have with sleep? I'm forgetting what I want to do. Right, are you doing everything from scratch? Yes, or as you can, I am using like Pygame, which is like a library that can help me make a game loop and stuff, so that I don't have to do everything myself. For example, with that with Pygame I can see, okay, am I pressing escape key or am I pressing certain keys, and I can check, okay, is this UI button pressed and stuff. I hope I don't overwhelm you. No worries. I'm quite thankful actually. How was your stream? By the way, what did you stream actually? Like looking at the channel, I just see the stream like from yesterday. Fire Emblem Engage. I've seen a bit about that game. It looks quite fun. Okay. There. Okay. To create a new window in Kintet, you can create a new instance of the top level class, which is a subclass of TK class. The top level class provides a way to create a new window that is separate from the main window. Here's an example for you can create a top level window. Okay. How? Now. Pokemon Mystery... Yo, Mystery Dungeon! Nice. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon time. Explorers Team time, that's my all-time favorite. I love playing that game. Like, I played that game so much when I was in elementary school. Oh. Okay, let me just add this here for now. Okay, root equal... Okay, input into stk. tk.tk top equal tk dot top level, and then top dot title equal debug menu, and top dot geometry 200 by 200. Personally, I've written blue rescue team fan. Oh, I have that game too. I haven't played it that much. You can like what I know, you can evolve your teammates in that one. That's what I find really cool. Alright, everyone, don't forget to spam that liked first. Yeah, this programming. Thank you, Silent Owl. I've only been programming for like yeah, since last month. So I'm not a pro. Add widgets and functionality to the window here. This code creates a new top level window. Okay, let me just copy this and save this other tests to Kinder test. Let's see, and this code. Ah, there. Wait, it opens two menus. That was two menus. Okay. You can't see them. That's annoying. But wait, why does it open two menus? What the hell? Oh dang, really? Yes. Really, just since last month. The only reason I started doing programming is because I was bored. Like, coding seems hard, so seeing someone who can do some is very cool. It's not too hard, I would say. It's just there are certain things, like just certain concepts that you need to understand, like for example a while loop, but then you just tell it, okay, do this and this in that loop, for example. Like, okay, let's take the direction, for example. If I press the D and the D key or the right arrow key, then I move to the right. If I press A or the left arrow key, I move to the left. So these are just very simple, and here's, for example, that's the direction vector. It's also a bit math that you need to understand. You seem to be doing a good job keeping everything organized. More of a pro than I. Looking at this, it's like deciphering hieroglyphs for me. Don't get me wrong, this is pretty interesting. Yeah, I also find it pretty interesting. Like, when things don't always work, but when they work, it's great. Yeah. I hear it's frustrating because of small details you can mess up. Yes. Python is actually a bit more forgiving in that than other languages, for example, because in Python, as you can see, I'm here having like no semicolons or stuff, or like commas, and I can just write these things and don't have to put like comma and then parenthesis, curly brackets and stuff, so it's much more easy. But if you go into something like C, C++, or and other like more complicated languages, then it can get more frustrating, where you, for example, can miss just a single comma and things like that, and it can ruin your day. Then having to go back and clean everything until you get it working. Yeah. The thing is, what I'm actually doing is I'm using like ChatGPT, if you know that. It can help quite a lot, actually. It can help me like everything I know here. Let me go here, unfold all. Everything of this that I know, like here you can see the minimap of the whole code. All of this, what I know is from ChatGPT. What I did is basically, okay, I asked it how can I do this thing, and then I basically applied it over and over and over again until I am currently having what I have here. Wait, why is that still here? Didn't I delete that? Anyway, I've had that happen to me before, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, like a lot of the things, like these things I wrote myself. This is something old, but yeah. Like for example, this stuff here, normalizing a movement vector. Normalizing a movement vector. I did not understand what the hell this was. Now I can understand it and can kind of explain it. Like what you do is when you, for example, move diagonally, like up to the right, and you press W and D at the same time, normally you go faster, but by doing this stuff here, you can make it so that, okay, you're going in that direction, you're always at the same speed. Or here, for example, this part is so that a player can't go outside of the screen and things like that. Or here, if the health is low, then you die, and you, like, I have a whole scoreboard system, so if I just press G, I can actually make myself quickly die, and you can type in your name and press enter, and then it gets added to the scoreboard. But yeah, it's just like, you need to understand small things, and then you just apply them more and more until you have like something really big and long. It's currently there are over 50,000 characters of text. But yeah, it's just like a lot of small things that you need to do. So I need to quickly check something. No, it does not open. Right, it would then root.main loop. Root.main loop. Okay, so if I do this, okay, then it just opens these, but I don't. Okay, and then if I close it, I get this game window. I look at your Ina Takadashi 3D modeling stream. It looks so good, thank you. I make a lot of mistakes, so I wouldn't call it talent, I would just call it trial and error. And the more I trial and error, the more the trials just, like, the more errors I get in my trials, the better I just get at trialing, trying it. For me, I don't really believe in talent. It's... talent makes me annoyed. The thing is, like, I'm from an artist background, like I've been doing Blender since 2017, and like I haven't touched, like I had a little bit of coding experience like in school, but we didn't do much. Like I made a calculator. I made it the calculator program that wasn't much at all, and then I basically didn't really do anything ever again. And then I just decided, okay, I want to try it. So one good thing is like it's logic. And the logic that programming uses coincides with the logic that I have, so it's quite easy usually. Wait, didn't I click subscribe to your channel? Someone didn't do that. Okay, I'm subscribed to your channel. But yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I have to call this, wait, would I have to call this inside of my init class? Let me close everything again. Init, would I have to, root.main loop? And not here. So if I do this, the game starts and those menus, okay. But now I have the problem that I have two of those little menus. Let me add them to the overlay real quick. Window capture. Kinder. debug menu. Okay. That's the small debug menu, the white square currently. Okay, close. Oh, and the game. Wait, the game doesn't even. Let me try. Yes, the game doesn't even start with these menus. So okay, that is. Okay, let's just crash it. Oh, hi Shirasu. Welcome. Shirasu, I was raided by Rico earlier. First time I got ever raided. Like, holy shit, suddenly, like, people suddenly in chat. Raid. Nice to see you, Shirasu. I'm talking so much right now. Fuck, I nearly spilled water. Oh. Okay. Okay, root.game node means TKTK and TK top level. Okay. I don't know what this Irish song is called, but it's so good. There's a lot of people. You're famous now. Also, yes, Coco. Coco. Yeah. I love Coco. She dragged me deep down into the soul. Now, if you ever want to hang out in my Discord, if you're over 18, I'm guessing you are, you're welcome to join. Okay, thank you. After I'm done here, I'm gonna look through some of your streams. Take a look at what you do. We're just a group of silly people talking. Hey! I fit right in. I love talking. We also love HoloLive. Nice. Yep. Okay, let me quickly check. Oh, so inside Tkinter I could make a Tkinter window, which would make it okay. Then let me copy this real quick and it. Oh, what do you mean if only? Buku Chaba. Is it a reference to like that one Overlord character, Buku Chagama? I think she was called. Let me run this real quick. This code doesn't run at all. Great. Okay, then let's try to run this. This just instantly crashes. Well, great, it instantly crashes. Hey, I'm here. Hi, Jeremy. Welcome back. I can't watch a lot these days because we're implementing our capstone project. Yeah. We're still working on that. I hope you succeed with that. I'm back from a quick trip, really. Dang, everyone wants to sleeping. Wait. Fucking... I just saw this message. Why? Okay. Let me, okay, if you're gonna be like this, if message equal you should go to sleep, then goddammit, why is he putting a semicolon there? Then print I won't go to sleep. So many viewers. Yeah, we got raided by Rico earlier. Like a whole damn raid. It's quite fun. So let's stop this right now. Let's restart it. There are all the messages, like so many messages. Okay, wait. He should. Okay. Next time anyone writes that, I should see, refreshed. Are you... Oh. Of course it instantly breaks again. One moment. Fusing. Like, it should break out of this. Then, further down here, it should, okay, let me... Good. Let me move this here. Then it should break again, and then retry this whole for loop. I'll have to see. Okay, let's run it again. So, let's see. You're finally getting some attention. It's nice. It's the struggles of code. Yep. Okay. This code just crashed instantly. So. Ah, right, because. Right, I found out why the code crashes. Thanks, Rikus. I forgot to say. Up here, Rico Kuma. Kuma, like a bear. To get the test. Right, it instantly crashes because there is game equal game and then game dot show debug menu probably. Why does it not add those? And then game dot run. Okay, let's try again. Debug menu is not, of course, because there has been no debug menu drawn yet. No problem, glad I can help out. Okay, because no debug menu is drawn yet, because it tries to get the debug menu from somewhere else. Many people rated me before too, so it's at least I can do to continue kindness. Ah, nice. Service, but great. Wait, thanks you. Yeah, just add. Then, hey, now you can type it perfectly. You can even type the kanji. I don't know which language the kanji are from. Probably Japanese if it's like Kuma. Anyway, if I do this here, it doesn't even get to initializing the player. Let's do a print. TK. Let's just do this, and if I do that, it doesn't even get to the print. So it just stops it right in its tracks. Yeah, and then if I close it, it can print TK. Oh, okay, this is annoying. No, I just copy and paste that. Oh yeah, that's what I meant with the add. You can. Hum. Okay. How would this? I still don't quite fully understand how it works. And this okay, let me go through this again. This example for curtain your top level window and the Kinter. Because here it goes through them. It's really late for me, so I'm gonna head to bed. It was nice to meet you. Good luck with the game, brother. Thank you, Taco. I hope you sleep well. Definitely get enough sleep. You like, no, Now it's appropriate. Taco should go to sleep. Not me, Taco. This code creates a new tab or window to the debug menu and says to pixels, which is the window search button, a checkbox you can use to ticket the counter which is provided by the module. Here's an example for you the button to the debug menu window. And then save that button, click me, command, save button, click. Okay, so if I would have this and then test equal debug menu. Oh wait, no. Let's go back to this. Put the class here. Now we have the debug menu. Here we have show debug. No, wait. What show deep? Not button. Menu. No, yeah, no, that's the parentheses also. Good. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. I need to run it here. We have a Pygame window, which is just white as it's done, but that one, the debug menu isn't being shown. That is weird. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. I quickly need to go to the toilet. Be right back. And I'm back. Okay. Let me just quickly check on some things. This DJ Katina remix of this Hololive songs is so good. Okay, let's continue. So let's try to figure everything out with the smoke code. I didn't notice you came back. Yes, I'm back. Okay, so then just quickly go here and see the other tests and Python begin the test. Okay, it opens a small window. That's this window, right? Yes, okay. This is the debug menu, it's TK top level. Okay, and root, but there's no root defined here. Okay, then let me copy this and see. I wish I witnessed the raid. I was quite confused suddenly. Like, where was it? Where did it start? Here. Suddenly Rico raid. Hashtag Rico raid. Rico Kuma raid. Rico Kuma raid. Wait. And then someone writing, you should go to sleep, and it was quite fun. It was quite delightful. Oh wait, Rico's not a bear, looking at her info. Oh, you're still here. I might look like a bear, but I'm not a bear. VTuber? What? Oh, you're only from eating. Why do you eat magical bread? I don't. Why do you eat magical bread? That is doesn't sound too good. Okay, I copy this real quick. See the wide game window, but no into window. Okay. Some the emojis work now. Some of them. So these ones are the yeah, hello. So, these ones only work like this. So what it did is basically it extracts the alt text. So this here is the alt text of everything, and it just deletes the images from it. And the bakery disappeared, and next day I'm stuck with the barriers. Nice. I would have liked to see a bakery. Was the bread tasty at least? The reason why I don't see is because you're calling before when you call the debug shown, but the program immediately sets again, which is an infinite. This means that the game is shown before, then immediately disappears. You should remove it and instead add a keybind or okay. So Then game loop, we're running in events if okay. Wait, does it have to be inside of the for loop? Okay. If event dot is it dot key? Dot key, yes, equal game dot k underscore, let's go with g. Then my cat's belly is, wait, is it what? It was like in any other word, nothing too amazing. Ah, that's sad. That's in, wait, what? Okay, let's put in the pause there, and then it shouldn't put out any errors anymore. Yes, wait, does this? Yeah, this work. Control Ö. To fix this, you should remove and add a keybind, or in the Pygame that will show the debug menu when pressed. The debug menu is only shown when the user explicitly triggers it, and it won't interfere with the game loop. Use an updated version of your code. That's keybind. Okay, so then I would do self dot show debug menu, and let's run it again. And if I now press G, nothing appears. Okay, if event.key equal pygame.k underscore escape, then the fans are running. Self.running equal true while self.running not this, but self.running equal false, and pygame.quit. Wait, what? Ah, right, because of this. Self.running equal false. Then let's run it again. Okay, the escape key is working now, but the G key isn't working. G doesn't do anything. Even if I press tab, there doesn't seem to appear any new windows. Is the implementation here different? If key down, key and key that should debug self dot. Yeah. Game equal game instance and game run. Oh, is it because of that still? No. Okay, then, wait, no. This is, yeah, no, that code. Debug menu equal debug menu and top level. It also doesn't show this button, show debug button. Hey, launch redirect, no problem, have fun. Why does it not work, is the question. SG, but nothing appears. Okay, let's put these to blank for now. Nope. The code you showed me opens no menu when I press the key. That is very confusing. Actually, I'm going to head to bed now, and they seem like a very nice person. I have to catch a stream soon again. Good night, everyone. Yeah, sleep well, Rico, and thank you so much for the raid. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed myself. I hope you do too. You did too. Ah. I can't talk. I hope you sleep well. So yeah, have a great sleep, Mr. Dreams. Thanks for God, just fucking hell. Okay, let me check. I purchased something of these. The reason I did the illumination is because the show the menu method needs to be called on the self object of the game class, not only. Oh, wait, no, it is. What? It did call it on. I hate this sometimes. We are calling instead of game that. No. How did it even do this mistake? How did it do this mistake? Oh my god. Hello. What time is it in Germany anyway? I hope it's not like midnight law. It's nearly noon. It's here you see the time. Here you can. That's the time right now. When your message came, 11:53. Okay, regenerate this answer. The event loop is not being executed. You need to add self.update in the run method of the game to keep the Kinder event loop updated. Oh. Never missing moon. As far as this goes, my kind of warfare. The curtain will and hell of a shoot that beats me now out of control. Transition up before you. I've been real time, just don't forget admission. It's all still mine. I can't do this part. So early? Yes, I start streams like between 9 and 10 AM. Great night. Assume a lady. Dun forget the rue. Shalalala. Ah, okay, so here I need to add this. Well, we've been real time, just don't forget admission, that's all the song. This should now open the Kinder debug menu. When you press the spacebar, the self.root.update line has been added to the run method to keep the Kinder's event loop updated. Also note that we've added the self.root attribute to the game class, which is an instance of tk.tk. We call self.root.withdraw to hide the main Kinder window, as we only want to show the debug menu window. Okay. Okay, then let's try this. Where was what added? Wait. Ah, self.root. Surf.root, but nothing else was. Ah, no. This. Okay. So early 2.5 hours then. How many of the checklist is checkmarked? Currently, if you look for done, quite a bit of it. There's still like a few bigger ones that I want to finish. Well, it's not like I have to finish them today, but this week or at least next week I want to finish them. But currently after, no. What have I done today? What have I done today? I reworked the debug list a bit. Then I forgot. I've been basically doing a lot of work on trying to get this extra menu to work. Eine Chisa-Note. Moon has such a nice voice. But yeah, I think I can make a full Python version, like have it like kind of as a version 1.0 kind of finished by end of next week, I would hope. Oops, sorry. It's just, I know I spend a lot of time on my debug menu, like a lot. Like probably half of the coding time is spent on making the debug menu work in some capacity. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay, so 2 Dekinter windows are being shown. That is confusing. But yeah, it is called debug menu, and then you click me, it's button clicked. Okay, but it's always shown, not just on the button press. Or if I press G. Ah, okay, when I do this, it switches to that window. Okay, then let me try. With that code it works, but the debug menu shows up instantly, and pressing the key does only refocuses the window. It doesn't make it disappear. Okay, how would I make it disappear? But it at least works in some capacity now. So I can then start adding my debug into that. I'm so late to your latest stream. Sorry about what happened to... wait, I'm so late to your latest stream. Sorry about what happened to see you. Or... no worries. You don't have to be here. I appreciate you being here, like... Not you're the most active in chat. Which is really great, but yeah. No, you don't have to feel bad if you can't make it. Don't feel bad about it at all. Okay, with the debug menu window. It fucking misunderstood it again. This isn't true. It's misunderstood again. Holy shit. Shit's key. Regenerate. Have you tried C++? Not yet. I do wanna try that, though I don't think I'm gonna do it inside of VS Code. But probably either gonna try Visual Studio or JetBrains. I have heard some good things about JetBrains. I tried Python and JetBrains, but nope. I did not like it because JetBrains code formatting is it tries to reformat my code, or like it doesn't like how my code looks. Oh, thanks, 60. Thank you. I'm not even trying to be an entertainer, but I'm happy that I can make a nice stream for you. I apologize for the oversight to make the debug initially hidden and toggle traceabilities, and especially modify the debug menu class and the show debug menu method and the get shows at the self.withdraw line in the init method of the debug menu class to initially hide the debug menu. Okay. Self.withdraw in the debug menu. Self.withdraw. Is VSC good, or should I use JetBrains? What I've heard, VSC is more like a jack of all trades. You have a ton of features in it. Nice to know that you're trying JetBrains. Like, it has a lot of features and like also a lot of like support for extensions and stuff. But it's not good for just one programming language. JetBrains, in contrast, JetBrains has several IDEs. JetBrains isn't like one single IDE, but several. There's, for example, PyCharm, which is for Python. Then let's see, JetBrains, Then there's, for example, IntelliJ IDEA, which is for Java. Developer tools, no. Then, for example, for like there's PyCharm, there's like Rider for .NET stuff, CLion for C and C++, and yeah. Then stuff for data scientists and stuff for databases. Then there's Golang for Google Go, and yeah. They have like a lot of things that are like specifically or like a powerful IDE for test automation. Yeah, like a lot of stuff. Then they also have like Fleet, which is like CS code. So everything like inside of this one thing. But yeah, I'm gonna try the C++ IDE for them next. And see how it goes. The thing is, I'm used to VS Code shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts now. So having a JetBrains is a bit different. I'm definitely going to see if I ever get a Windows or Mac. Oh. Okay. Yeah. What you can also do, like what I was recommended, like for C or C++ coding, is that you, instead of just VS Code in Windows, you use Linux, but you don't have to like install Linux or anything. You can do like what Windows allows is running a virtual machine for Linux directly, which is actually really quick. Like it's called WSL, like Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is also actually really good. You won't have any like GUI or stuff, but you can like just install Ubuntu real quick and then just install your dependencies and can start with C or C++. Though I had some issues with it. That's why I don't think I'm gonna continue using that. Because like, I can't figure out how to solve the issues. Python to C++ is a huge jump. You should try C first on CLion. Yeah, I'll see how it goes. I'll just see how it goes. Yeah. Do you know some stuff about that geometry or? Where do you know that from? Let me quickly check you again. Modify the show debug menu to toggle the visibility of the using the iconify and de-iconify methods. Oh, iconify and de-iconify is like showing. Hide show. Okay, let's put the serve.withdraw at the end of it. Then I know nothing, I'm just using it previous. Okay. Okay. Dignify. Okay, so change this here. Equal withdrawn, okay. And then wait. Debug menu state equal withdrawn. Then iconify. Okay. Let me try it. Give it. Pressing G and it opens it. Nice. Then one thing I need to do for my case. How can I make the Tkinter window appear on the same screen as the Pygame window? Currently, the Tkinter window appears on the screen to the left. Okay, let's see. My recommendation tab is full of LG Duo Up. I'm so jealous of you. Why is your recommendation tab full of that? What? Why? I'm probably gonna hop off now. It's 3 AM where I am. Good luck with your game. Thank you, Lupin. What the fuck? Yes. Go to sleep. 3 AM. Damn, I don't do 3 AM anymore. If I did, I would get nothing done. I hope you have a great sleep. Thanks for joining in. I hope you come by again. Oh, the monitor looks nice to use. Okay. Yeah, if you get used to like using all the space that you have on it, then yeah, it can be quite nice. Hey, see ya. Oh wait, no, that's that song. It's that song. Oh god. One moment. Okay. So let's see if I do this and no. Wait, what? Where did the debug window go? Wait. Is it just... It's just... Don't tell me that's what it's doing. One moment. Ah! I'm small! Wait. Where the fuck is it? It's just minimizing it. Okay, let me make it big again. It's just minimizing the window. Okay. To make the Kinder window appear on the same screen, you can set the import OS. Let's see, where do I add this? Inside of game, after solve screen, there we go. Window underscore position. Small XE. Has the game got any downloads? I don't know. I haven't checked dashboard. It's got views, but yeah, still one download. How do I... Doesn't matter. I think it's also got a few views, but nothing to write home about. Let me see, can I delete this? Okay, no, only that one is remaining. Stella. Hey, it's not like the world depends on it. Like it's not anything important. Takes time for such things. SDL video window position. Okay. Okay, then it's still running. Let's run it. Okay. I get this error. Okay. Error message. Let's see what it can do. Okay, it seems like it's struggling right now. It's not available again. You can use and package locus module to send it to window or leave it in undefined position. Hi Akuma. Welcome. How are you doing? Yes. So instead of this, we take this. Oh, it's... Yeah, it needs to be defined under root. Ah, great. Okay, fuck that. Delete answer. It's just a debug menu, it's not too important. The withdrawn just minimizes the window. I want it to be closed instead. Okay. Apple user, Android user. Android. Like, all companies are shit, but Apple is just a special kind of shit. Yeah, like, Apple is just a special kind of shit. So I don't want to touch this stuff. Like, I can understand, okay, like, MacBooks with like M1 and M2 chips, they are good. They are good laptops. Like, they have performance. Like, Apple did really good there. Or like the iPad. It's like a really good tablet. Not many other companies make good tablets for... make good tablets in general. Unless you go like really cheap Android tablets. So there are some Apple products which are good, but then like mostly it's nah. Apple isn't too great with its like consumer practices. Okay, override WM protocol method to handle the... Let's see. Android for me. Apple is really good, yeah, Apple may be late, but Apple does better than Android. Yeah, Pixel 7 Pro. Okay. I just have a Samsung A70, which is like, bought it in 2019, it still holds up really well. And like, the thing is, you don't need to buy high-end. How much is the Google Pixel Pro 7 price? Okay, $900? Nah. Like, my current phone, 350 euros in 2019. It works perfectly fine. Like, buying those high-end phones, yeah, maybe they are a little faster, but... Like, sometimes you have more features on a mid-range phone than on a high-end phone. Because it's like no headphone jack, for example. I've started using Bluetooth headphones, but only because I always destroy the cable of like cable earphones. It's like really annoying. If the cables were more resilient, I would still use cabled ones. A lot better than Apple phone, that's really big. Huh. I like big phones anyway. That might be a problem for me, but it fit in my pockets. Oh, my pockets are usually quite large. I have enough space there. Yes, so fuck that. And did I put that in there? I did put that in there. Okay, I need to add the function on close. Wait, no, that is still withdraw. Or does withdraw mean... Okay, well, I will see. Okay, let's see. Nope, it did it wrong again. Ah. He said no. Class debug menu instead of minimizing it, you can modify the show debug menu method in the game class as follows. If the debug menu is already visible using the method, or check. If the debug menu is not visible, should hide it using the withdraw method. Okay, there are a ton of cool things you can do if you go on. I bet you can copy images and texts. What the fuck is no console? When you want to correct errors, you also don't have to hold down on the text. You can just tap that. Huh. Most of the time, I just use my phone for YouTube and reading. Okay, so let's update this method. Okay, the window isn't shown. Now it's shown. Now it's closed. Great. Okay. I will take a short break and then I'll be right back. Hello. One of the things that's cool is that you can activate parameter make it that when you tap on the back of the phone you can take screenshot. Okay, we make Windows server because oh hi gangster. I just saw the G in your name and so I thought Geometry wrote it. You know what? I need to try and implement that it gets your icons. Like your avatars, profile pictures, whatever. I'm back. Yeah, so that gets like your profile pictures and icons and shows them. I don't know if that's possible, but like, it shouldn't be an impossibility. Also, when you have a Wi-Fi, you can share the Wi-Fi by creating a QR code, or you can yeah, you can share Wi-Fi, like on Android you can open a hotspot and some Wi-Fis do allow you to share that Wi-Fi through a hotspot. Some Wi-Fis have it disabled, but yeah. I can take a screenshot on my, like I wouldn't want to take a screenshot by tapping on the back. That seems, no, that seems like it just fires off at random sometimes. I have it just that I press the power button and the volume down button at the same time and takes a screenshot. That's good enough for me. Apple can only share with other Apple users. Ah, yeah. There's the thing. Yeah, for example, like the tapping, I have a VR headset on the Pico VR, Pico 4 VR headset. And it has a function where it's like you can tap on the outside of it, or you're supposed to tap like twice on the right side of the headset, and it activates the pass-through so you can see with the camera, so you don't have to take the headset off. But sometimes I just take the headset in my hands to readjust it on my head, and it activates it. Sometimes I'm touching the left side of the headset, like once even just, and it thinks I tapped twice on the right side. It's so weird. Oh, gravity right after. Ah, that's not the only moment it does is when I tap on the table. Okay. Gotta go, got school. Have fun, Akuma. Thanks for coming by. So early in the morning always. Okay, this works now. So I think I can start trying to implement it over here. This is going to be an adventure. Guess I'm just gonna call it debug menu tk.top level def in itself and master equal none. Super dot init master serve dot title debug menu serve the geometry. Let's make it 1000 by 1000 for now. That's 800. 800 by 800. That would add a button. Okay. Serve dot label. Let's see. TK dot. Huh. But why does it not? Oh, is it because I not sure? This TK. Yeah, the autocomplete doesn't work again. That is so weird. I don't think it's because I have it on a hard drive. Let's see. In VS Code sometimes autocomplete isn't working, or it takes several seconds until it shows up. Why could that be? I have forced you the file is on a mechanical hard drive. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait, why is an empty emote? What? Empty emote? What the hell? I know it's just a dot question. I thought it was an emote. I was so confused. You know, I just can't resist you. I've been going for 3 hours, damn. Question mark, question mark, question mark. So if you want me, then shout it out right now. That was just a game. I can't complain. I do the same. Oh, do you say you do? Feel the same, sparking like a flame, and no, we'll never be the same. Oh, do you? In the end, it's just another game. Never let it so fallen, you got it. Cause love's just like a toxin, the way pain is so common. Your problem, I can solve it. I'm just a fool enough. Move this, didn't crash. Hi, Dang. No, the rush, yeah. I just can't resist it. Oops, what the hell? That's what I wanted. Wait. Hey? Oh, Control 0 opens that and Control... What? I'm so confused right now. Okay. After all, what? Wait, no. I messed up. Wait. Oh, I'm so confusing myself right now. Okay, after 3 hours. Yeah, it's been 3 hours. Which is great, to be honest, because I'm feeling great. Overall, still good and motivated to continue working on this. Let me check something real quick. I saw something earlier that I wanted to check out there. Oh, komm schon. Okay, that and this. Okay, good. Ui. Sorry. Is he back okay? Yes, I'm okay. I'm doing just fine. Okay, let's continue. This is not here. Inside of the game method. What? Right now this is supposed to be here. Okay. Yes. Then like this, and let's go down to game and in it. Is it back? What the fuck? YouTube subtitles are drunk. Wait, do I... where the hell do I put this? I'm just also gonna put it inside of here. Okay, surf running, that's already set. Then let's do this. Add this. Yeah, surf.root. Okay. Indented correctly. Subtitles haven't messed up until now. Okay, pretty impressive. Yeah, wow. Wouldn't have thought that. Crazier subtitles been given Miss America. I don't know. Let's also add a new definition. Show underscore. Wait. Debug menu. Self. Let's just. Okay. And then inside the game loop, I need to find a key that's not yet. Let's take F. Let's take the F key. If event.key equal pygame.k underscore F, then self.show underscore debug menu. I'm gonna leave in the next hour cause dinner. Wait, didn't you say you're eating lunch? Didn't you say earlier you're eating lunch? Didn't you? I eat lunch, be right back, like... You said it like 1.5 hours ago. Okay, maybe nearly 1 hour ago. Wait, no. Yeah, 50 minutes ago. What? If menu is enabled, true debug button. Oh god, that's so much. Sentences, good night everybody and everyone. You were from the raid, from Rico's raid. Thank you for being here. Sleep well. Hope you have a great sleep. Okay, then also self dot show debug menu. Or no, I can just put it in here. Night, hello. Hi, Night. Is there wrong with eating after or two? It's just confusing. Okay, 1 hour ago you ate lunch, and then like 2 hours later you eat dinner. Like lunch you usually eat around noon, like around 12 p.m. I would say. Or a Night Rider just went to bed. And welcome Night. Wait, no, Silencer. I'm confusing names. Sub Night and Silencer. Oh god, I'm confusing names. Oh, how's it going? Okay, so if your button is pressed, then show debug menu, and graphics being drawn, I need to add self.root.update. Okay. I don't know. I'm now heading to work. Okay. Good luck with that. Hope you're having fun at work. I view lunch as a thing you eat, not a thing you eat noon. Okay. So you can eat lunch between dinner and breakfast if you like eat a midnight snack. Stretching feels so good. Okay, that should be everything. So I should be able to just let it. Really? Let's see. Instead of here, okay, I have that button, but yeah. No, show debug button. Show debug menu. What? I know my English is sorry of confusing. No worries. No worries. What the fuck? Oh, I'm running the wrong code. Python bullet hell game.py. There we go. Self root. Debug menu has no attribute root. Did you mean underscore root? Let me see. Debug menu. I copied the wrong things. Of course I copied the wrong things. This is not supposed to be here. And what's supposed to be here is, no, here is self.withdraw and self.button.pack. Okay, then let's see. Show debug button is still. Right. Or I don't need this, I would say. These buttons here don't do anything really. Okay, let's try again. Okay, the game works. The scoreboard isn't being read, which is a problem. Or then could you write in English, because I don't know how to read Vietnamese. If it is Vietnamese, it looks like it. Okay. So it always draws. Let me write it in the to-do list. I'm not gonna debug this now. When starting a new game, the both weapon debug windows appear, but only one is drawn. Expected behavior, only one debug window label is drawn. Only one weapon debug labels appear. Okay. Well, you know Vietnamese. No, I know how Vietnamese looks. I know how it looks, but I cannot read it at all. No, I can't read it. So that's why I just would like you to write in English if possible. Why did the chat just crash? What? Wait, keyboard interrupt? No, I... Oh, okay. Yeah, that was a keyboard interrupt. Oops, that was my error. Go to sleep now? No. I will not. Reflect. Let's go back to the game. Okay, wait, no, it says driver, no, wait, it caught itself? Wait, it caught it? It actually did it! After like a few tries, it actually did it! Yo! What? It actually continued one time. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, so it does work. Okay. That's amazing. Yeah, look, not good, bro. I look just fine. If I would look like this, then maybe I should stop and go to sleep. But I look like this. So, I have no problems. Close that. Are you kidding me? One moment, I need to... Okay. How do you know this is a face cam? Whatever. Not important. Not important. What the fuck? Okay. Whatever that was. Well, true message list versus messages. There we go. Okay. So this loop doesn't work if you some. So I just need this. It needs to break once I'm under his bed. My bed is not in this room. So. And like if you were under my bed, you would be quite flat. You would be quite flat. So it breaks and okay, if it prints a message, okay, I need to let's just call this A equals 0. And I also initialize the file with A equal 0, and if it breaks at any point, okay, if A over 0, then print A. Don't worry about that. This is bad. You have different room for your PC. That's epic. I'm in my living room. I have my own apartment, so I'm currently just in the living room. Okay, so if A is over that, then print A. If it successfully gets to this, then... But if it breaks before A plus equal 1. Okay. And now I just gotta wait until it crashes again. Okay. So I have to crash you myself for a moment. And there you are again. Oh, violet again. How long did it take to like load? Okay, 48 to 54. Oh, not too long. Why do you have your PC in the living room? Because. You gone now? No, I'm back. What? Wait, who's gone now? Now we have Gargura in the chat. Hey. Yeah, let's epic that further. I have a Chromebook in the kitchen. Yes. What? I'm confused. Wait, this Gargura account was made just today. No, yesterday. Whatever. I'm gonna continue with this. Where was I even? What was I even doing? Okay, let me take a break and reset my brain, because I just forgot where I was. Also, my bedroom, the floor is not, what do you call it, a flat. My floor is bulging, like there's like a height difference in my floor, and like it's uneven, that's the word. My floor is uneven, and so having a table there wouldn't be great. Also, just my living room is just, I would say, more suited. Like I have more space in my living room for everything I have here on the table and stuff. And also all of my the internet is like Like, I have a lot of outlets here, electrical sockets here. So I can hook up everything, monitors and the PC, maybe even a laptop and stuff. I don't have as many in my bedroom. Yeah. Marine. Now it's a different account. I think it's the same person, but just on different accounts all the time. Is it odd that I don't have my laptop in my room but in the kitchen? No. It's a laptop. Use it wherever you want. Just be careful if you use it on the toilet. Whoop. Okay, let me do this again. No, that's a game over. Wait, why is the scoreboard? Why is the scoreboard empty? Control Shift E. Scoreboard. Huh? It's unable, failed to open theme file. Wait, yeah, that also failed. Okay, let me cd bullet hell and python game.py. Now. Okay, that is so confusing. So it reads the files from where they're... Huh. Interesting. But I know the scoreboard works again. Wait, so outside this fault there is no... yeah, there's a new... Okay, what the hell? Who knows? Who knows? You know what? I think I'm gonna end stream for today. My brain can't think anymore. I'm just gonna make the GitHub commit now and then I'll leave for the day probably. Okay, let's see. What were all the changes I did? Right, I can take out threading again. Yeah, I don't need threading anymore. It would have been cool to use threading, but yeah. Let's see. Debug menu or debug window. You should go. Yeah, I think like Maringa Gura Hong Dang. It's all the same person. It feels like or it feels like the same person, but debug with the Kinder. Wait, Night, aren't you at work? Oh, sorry, the microphone. Today was a great day. Yeah, it was. I finally got a hang on Kinder, or not really a hang, but I have it implemented. I probably need to use it a few more times to actually understand what it does. But yeah, see you everyone, and thank you everyone who's still here from the raid, probably just lurking right now. And I hope everyone has a great day. By the way, I will not stream tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an appointment. So I will not stream tomorrow, and... or maybe tomorrow, but later on the day. Ah, not yet, okay, Night. Yeah, so the next 2 days, I don't know if I'm going to stream because of 2 important appointments. Okay, then see you all. Hope you have a great day.